Hi, today I'd like to talk about karate. Probably this is one of the most popular martial arts in the world, and in Chinese we call it kōngshǒudào. Kōngshǒudào. So karate is actually Japanese, and kara originally it means Tang Dynasty, which actually represents Chinese, and te it means hand. It means martial arts. So karate is like Chinese martial arts. But later, the word kara, uh, Japanese uses like the emptiness, empty, which also pronounced as kara, to replace Chinese, to replace tongue. So here it becomes empty hands. So karate, it means empty hands, which uh, it's actually quite understandable because I think probably Japanese tried to uh, to build up their own identity, and that's why it tried to move away from the Chinese influence. So here becomes karate, empty hands, and it means martial arts. And so, yeah, these are the three characters, 空手道 in Chinese. Let's see how this is written. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.